And not just the new Accord, the hybrid touring trim, which makes it the bestest, most powerful one for the 11th generation.
That should be good news because on paper at least, it means slightly faster acceleration.
But for $37,890 US, you can have a 204 horsepower, 247 pound-feet of torque.
We'll be finding out if that's true a little bit later on. Well, there are some changes to the looks, but it must have taken the design team all of half an hour to make them.
What if owning a car didn't mean constant visits to the mechanic? Today, we unveiled 10 vehicles engineered to defy breakdowns. They're the kind of cars you barely service, yet they keep running mile after mile. Will your current car measure up? Or are you due for an upgrade? Let's find out. Number 1, Toyota Corolla. The Toyota Corolla has become a symbol of reliability, trusted by drivers worldwide for over 5 decades. Known for its simple yet effective engineering, the Corolla avoids overcomplicated systems that can lead to costly failures. Instead, it delivers durability in its purest form. But how does a car so affordable achieve such legendary status? Some skeptics might say you get what you pay for. So how can a modestly priced sedan outlast luxury vehicles? Well, Corolla owners will tell you about engines sailing past 300,000 miles with minimal intervention. Number 2, Honda Civic. The Honda Civic has built a reputation as the go-to car for everyone, from new drivers to lifelong commuters. Its appeal lies in its balance of affordability, performance, and reliability, making it a practical choice for decades. Now, some believe budget-friendly cars can't stand the test of time, but the Civic crushes that misconception. Take the 1990 Honda Civic, for instance, a model still running strong today, clocking over 300,000 miles with basic maintenance. Stories like this are common among Civic owners, a testament to its unbeatable engineering. With a remarkably low annual repair cost compared to its rivals, the Civic proves you don't need to overspend for quality. Up next, another Japanese sedan that's become synonymous with trust and durability. Number 3, Toyota Camry. The Toyota Camry is the car many families and commuters turn to without a second thought, and for good reason. It's built a legacy of trust over decades, earning countless fans who swear by its dependability. But given how common the Camry is, can it truly stand out as exceptional? The answer lies in models like the 2012 to 2017 versions, consistently recognized for reaching 300,000 miles or more with regular maintenance. Consumer Reports backs this with glowing reliability ratings, and owner feedback often highlights its low maintenance costs and impressive fuel efficiency. With a perfect blend of comfort, efficiency, and longevity, the Camry eliminates the hassle of frequent repairs. But for those craving luxury alongside reliability, the next car delivers a whole new experience. Number 4, Lexus LS. The Lexus LS stands out as a luxury car engineered to last. This flagship sedan was born from an ambitious vision. Toyota gave its engineers a blank check to create the LS 400, resulting in a vehicle so over-engineered that many of the original models from the late 1980s are still on the road today. Luxury cars often carry a reputation for being costly to maintain and prone to issues, but the Lexus LS defies these expectations. It consistently scores high on reliability ratings, offering an ownership experience that combines top-tier comfort with surprisingly low maintenance costs for its class. If you're after timeless elegance, unparalleled dependability, and smart value, the LS proves luxury doesn't have to mean compromise. Speaking of endurance, the next car redefines toughness entirely. Number 5, Toyota Hilux. The Toyota Hilux is a legend in toughness, built to handle conditions that would overwhelm most vehicles. Known for its seemingly indestructible design, it's been tested in some of the harshest environments on Earth, and always comes out on top. Its reputation was cemented in part by an unforgettable Top Gear episode, where they subjected a Hilux to water submersion, fire, and even a collapsing building. Remarkably, it still started. Beyond the screen, the 6th generation, 1997 to 2004, Hilux has been a workhorse in deserts, war zones, and remote areas, thanks to its simple but robust engineering. With its global renown for reliability, the Hilux isn't just a truck, it's a vehicle you can trust to outlast almost anything. And speaking of dependability, the next car pairs long-lasting performance with everyday practicality. Number 6. Honda Accord. The Honda Accord has been a cornerstone of reliability for over 40 years and remains one of the most trusted sedans available. Many mid-size sedans struggle to deliver both durability and affordability, but the Accord thrives in this balance. Models from 2007 to 2009 stand out, consistently praised by owners for their dependable performance and minimal repair needs. For instance, the 2007 Accord's engine options, from efficient 4 cylinders to powerful hybrids, offer excellent fuel economy alongside durability. It received a reliability score of 81 out of 100 from J.D. Power, reflecting its long-term performance. Owner reviews, as well as Consumer Reports data, highlight how few issues these models encounter over time. The result? A sedan made to last for years, stress-free. Number 7. Toyota YarisIgo. The Toyota Yaris and Igo redefine what it means to own a reliable compact car. Despite their small size and budget-friendly design, they've shown they can last decades, earning a spot among the most dependable vehicles. Skeptical? Consider Yaris models that have served as daily drivers for over 15 years without significant repairs. A feat few expect from cars in this category. Their simplicity is a major advantage. With straightforward engineering, they minimize the likelihood of costly breakdowns and keep maintenance expenses low. In fact, the Yaris scored a spot on Warranty Direct's list of the 100 most reliable used cars of the past decade, proving its staying power. Compact, dependable, and economical, these cars deliver effortless reliability every day. Next up, a dependable car with a hint of fun. Number 8. Suzuki SwiftALTO. The Suzuki Swift and Alto prove that reliability doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag. Known for their simple engineering and robust design, these cars are built to last, often running into the hundreds of thousands of miles with just routine care. In countries like India and Australia, the Alto is a popular choice for daily commutes, with drivers praising its predictable performance over decades of use. The Swift, on the other hand, offers slightly more power while maintaining the same low-maintenance reputation. Both vehicles are cost-effective, not just in purchase price, but in ownership costs, thanks to minimal repair needs and easy-to-service construction. These cars are an ideal option for anyone who values affordable dependability without unnecessary complexity. Number 9. Kia Picanto/Venga. The Kia Picanto and Venga often fly under the radar, but they've quietly earned a reputation for outstanding reliability. Many drivers underestimate Kia's ability to produce cars that last, yet these compact models consistently prove otherwise. Stories abound of Picantos and Vengas running well beyond 200,000 miles with minimal repairs, thanks in part to Kia's class-leading 7-year warranty, which gives owners peace of mind. Beyond durability, their high safety ratings combined with excellent fuel efficiency make them practical choices for everyday use. Maintenance costs remain low due to their simple yet efficient engineering, and they're designed to handle years of wear without faltering. Number 10. Mini Countryman / convertible / electric. Mini has always been synonymous with bold style and fun driving dynamics, but its reputation for long-term reliability has been less certain. That's changing. The Mini Countryman, convertible, and especially the electric models signal a shift, showcasing how the brand is marrying its iconic design with improved engineering. Skeptics might wonder if a car built for excitement can also deliver dependability. Yet, newer Mini models consistently perform better in reliability rankings, and owners report longer lifespans with proper maintenance. The electric model, in particular, highlights how Mini is modernizing without losing its charm. Choosing a reliable car isn't just about avoiding stress, it's about saving thousands of dollars over time. Reliable vehicles not only cut down on repair costs, but also retain higher resale value, making them a smarter investment. So, the next time you're car shopping, think beyond the sticker price. What will this vehicle cost you over the years? Explore more of our videos to discover dependable, cost-effective cars that fit your needs and help you save money where it matters most.